Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 11 Low in the Concord Bred colorway. Now before we get into the sneaker, make sure if you guys are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Bam! The Air Jordan 11 Low in the Bred Concord colorway. Now before I get into the shoe, I am about to hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. And to show my appreciation, I want to give away a pair of these 11 Lows. Now to enter in this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Make sure you guys comment down below Bred as well as your IG user tag. So that's just my way of giving back to you guys. So if you guys want to enter in that giveaway, make sure you guys follow those rules. Now let's go over this shoe. First off, the Bred Concord 11 Low is obviously a mix between the Concord Lows as well as the Bred Lows. This variation and color scheme, in my opinion, is way better than any of the other 11 Lows. I honestly want to see this shoe in a high version. I think that would be super dope. The shoe is going to be perfect for summertime. The white upper is going to be shining in the sunlight as well as the black patent leather. And then you got the nice solid red on the outsole that is going to make the shoe pop. Now this is an early review. This shoe doesn't drop until June 20th. I wanted to get this shoe in hand before the release. That way I can show you the materials on the shoe, give you my opinion, as well as the on-foot look. Now before we get into the on-foot look, let's look closer at this colorway. Like I said, you got the Concord upper. You guys can see the patent leather. The quality on the shoe is decent. It's nothing super premium or anything like that, but it is good quality. You do have the white leather on top, not really grainy. Like I said, not the best quality, but honestly, I'm not disappointed. Got your white rope laces, got the Jordan tag in the middle of this tongue, white lettering with the red Jumpman. You have a black lining, black insole with a red Jumpman on the inside. Then looking at the heel section, you guys can see the Jumpman logo embroidered in black, as well as the 23 in red. A white midsole, the Bred red outsole. You got the black pods on the front and the heel section. You guys can see the carbon fiber and the Jumpman logo through that translucent outsole. Now the shoe is gonna be perfect for the summertime, and if you're a Jordan head, you gotta have this shoe. There's a lot of sentimental value. It's a mix between the Concords and the Breds in a low version, and so if you're a Jordan head, you definitely gotta have this shoe. Or really, if you're a sneakerhead at all, this is a very good shoe to have. The shoe is gonna come in a full size run, so that means kid sizes, everything. So your size will be out there. I will be leaving a full where to cop list down in the description below. Full store list, places holding raffles, release times, all that good stuff. So check the description below. With that being said, let's look at these bad boys on feet.
Yeah. Sorry, what's poppin', nigga? Pull out in a drop top with a thought. Fiji got that drip drop. Watch her wrist lock. Shorty call some lockjaw. Yeah, the ball hot. Keep the Jimmy like I'm neutron. High blast off. Diamonds dancing, call it salsa. I got hot sauce. Scoring, crying on his skirt off. It's a push toss. I got K's, but no take K. Free that crit, ayy. I got youngins with them big flames. Blow your damn brain. Her name Diamond, I'm the rock. Muhammad Ali, high talk. Sippin' walk on your block with this rocket in my. Yo, I just fuck your bitch. I just swish. Do it, swish. Yeah, had a condo for your bitch. Had a condo for your swish. Swish. Yeah, smash. Then I dip. Swish. I do it. Swish. Let's go. Had a product for your bitch. Had a product for your swish. Swish. Yeah, I'm in the liver you cannot. Bitch, I'm a dog, I'm a and we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina Turner soda, so I got no haul. And we gon' ball. Bitch, I'm a dog. No Tina Turner soda, so I got no haul. I got a Glock in the center of my six-pack. Running with M's, you don't want it, so get back. She call me baby, I told her I'm big. Said talk to me nice, so I'm how you get whacked. That be your bitch when she sucking on dick. All of my niggas, we all with the shit. Perkins said call her and it's out the tent. Run up the prices, that nigga a bitch, and we gon' ball. Bitch,
the Jordan 11 Low in the Concord Bred colorway on feet. These things are straight fire. Now, as far as sizing goes, I usually go half a size down with Jordan 11 lows. I don't know what it is, but with a Jordan 11 high, I go true to size, which is a size 10. But as lows go, I usually have to go down to a 9.5. And when it comes with low tops, I like my feet to be more secure and snug. So I usually go down half a size. And these in a size 9.5 seem to work perfect for me. Now let's talk about resale. This shoe will be releasing for $185. I don't see there being a whole lot of resale. With this colorway though, with it being a Concord and Bred mix, I do see there being a little bit of resale. I see a lot of people going for this shoe, and I definitely think it's gonna sell out. This shoe going for around $200 to maybe $250, depending on the size as far as resale. Those are my opinions. Let me know what you guys think. Is there gonna be any resale? What do you think of the shoe? Are you gonna go for it as a personal? Are you gonna try and flip? Let me know all that information. Again, if you guys wanna enter in the giveaway, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23, as well as comment the word Bred and your IG user tag. Now, with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.